Hello! Today let's talk about dictionaries and PIM system attributes. Dictionaries are sets of attribute values used to describe products and their characteristics. They are employed in attributes where we choose values from a drop-down list. To create a dictionary, navigate to the Catalog section and select Dictionaries. Click on the Create Dictionary button. We need to enter the dictionary name and a comment if it's necessary. Press Create and then the Values tab becomes available. We can add the dictionary values. To add a single value, click on Add Values and input the first dictionary element, similar for the rest of the values. If we input two identical values, the system will notify us about the error and use the dictionary until corrected. If we leave the value field blank, the system will also write an error and won't say the dictionary if the value is not filled. If we want to export our values from an Excel table, we need to copy them to the clipboard, click on Import Values button, paste the data in dialog box and confirm the upload. In the interface, we can also edit existing values by changing them and selectively delete them. If we don't need all the values, we can click on the Clear All Values button and delete all dictionary values. If we don't need a dictionary, we can delete it. But please note, this is only possible if it's not used in any attribute. To find out where the dictionary is used, we need to go to the list of dictionaries. Here we can see all attributes and categories the dictionary is applied. Using dictionaries for PIM system ensures correlation and data quality, eliminating errors when filling in product attributes. Well-designed dictionaries will help you efficiently manage and quickly describe products in your PIM system. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day!